Install this app for absolutely free and make passive income without doing anything. You can log in and register into the software or this brand new app in just some seconds and you can start to go to make money from this. But once again, with the help of this method, you cannot make thousands of dollars per day, but it will help you to make a suitable income for you and you can reinvest this money to make some more money from it this method. You don't have to promote anything, you don't have to sell anything, you don't have to make videos come in the front of the camera, you don't have to invest any money in front, and you can take just your phone and you can start to make money with the method I'm going to show you in this video. So watch it till the end. You can install this app in your phone, in your laptop, in your computer, PC, laptop, in anything you want, and you can make money from this just by doing nothing. Yes, it will pay you to do nothing. Basically, this will work in the background of your phone, laptop, and it will give your money for that. Now let me tell you how you can make money from this. I will reveal the name of this app in just few seconds, but let me give you some information about that. So this is the amount you can earn with the help of this app, and as you can see, this is the best passive income effortlessly. With this you can make money by simply sharing your internet and you can start to earn. So this app will take your internet in the background and this app will pay you for that. It will just take your internet connection with that. Now as you can see, it is the easiest way to earn passive income. Start earning with this and use the money to pay your streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content or free to play games, or simply treat yourself with a online shopping. And you can know more about this by clicking this learn more button. Now as you can see, earn without compromising your security. This will ensure that your internet traffic is not used by trusted partner and the app never asks you to gain access to storage of your device. So basically you don't have to worry about your security. It will don't ask you for your any personal data and it will not take any personal data from your mobile. So it's a fully secure website, and I also myself searching hours and see many reviews on the internet, and all people are saying that it is a very good app to make money, and I will reveal this app in just few seconds, so watch it. And basically its reviews on Trustpilot are very good. Now as you can see, know exactly what is your internet is used for. So here you can know that why they are giving you money for just taking your internet. So once you start using this, your device act like towers and help world famous business access to the world wide web without having to worry about the location based restrictions or anything. And you can know more about by clicking this learn more button. So basically this will help you to give some internet connection and make you as a worldwide internet connection location to the business access and many things. Now as you can see, here is the estimate amount you can make. For 2 devices you can make up to $37. For 4 devices you can make $73. For 5 devices, for more devices, and as you can see that for 7 devices you can make $127. For 8 devices 154, and its graph is going up and up. And as you can see, the daily content delivery what you will show here is amount you can make. Now with 10 devices you can make up to $184 per month, which may seems not a like more, but it's a very good income for you just by doing nothing, because you have to just install this app in your phone and it will run background you and you don't have to do anything. Now as you can see, factors that influence how much you can earn: your location. Your earnings depend on the traffic demand required, the number of IP addresses, and the network ping or speed. So basically you must have a good speed of your internet connection. Now how you can make money from this? So first thing you have to do is set it up. You can install it on your Windows, Linux, Mac, Office or Android mobile and anything you want. Now you can run this app, and once it will active, then it will assess your internet connection and it will run in the background and make you money. Now let it gather. The third step is let it gather. It will use your internet connection to gather bits of information that publicly available online. So as I tell before that it will not ask you any your private details, and it will not take your any personal data from your phone. Just it will take some information about your publicly which are publicly available online. Now the fourth step is this help businesses. Creable companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified businesses process. So basically, with this app, the business owners and many big companies will take some online data and they can know how the companies and the customers want prices like that. And the fifth is almost you will get paid. And as you can see, you can choose to receive payments in PayPal, Bitcoin, or anything. And now as you can see, ready to make sweet money, and you can download this basically. And as you can see, they have user experience and awareness survey report. They also have user experience awareness survey report of 2020. And as you can see, 250,000 plus users have used this website or app to make money, and 30% of the monthly users base grow rate, so which is very good. And 150 countries covered this app have available in 150 countries, so it's also have chance that this app will work in your country also. And as you can see, average single payment is $26, which is a very good amount. You can make $26, which is a average price, and you can make much from it. So basically, this is the app which I want to tell you. So the name of this app is Honeygain. Basically, you can search on internet honeygain.com, and you can download this in your phone or PC or tablet, Windows, anything you want, and come on this main website, which is honeygain.com. And here you can see this is basically the home page and first page of this website. Now I also recommend you to watch this little video. It is a very attractive video, and it will tell you more about what is Honeygain and what is all about. You can download it by clicking this download for Windows and go to dashboard. It is showing the download for Windows because I am using laptop, that's why. But you can install it very easily on your mobile device or your tablet or anything or anywhere you want. And you can read more its feature on this page, and it will tell you everything about the website and what is it and how is it working. So once again, the name of website is honeygain.com, and you can reach it out this website. So it's all about for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It's very appreciation for me. So thanks a lot, and a goodbye to you all of you.